Hey people, welcome. This is your homework. Your homework will be on spreadsheet modeling and Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is spreadsheet software. What it means is it's simply, you can call it a glorified calculator, okay? It's used to make calculations, you use it to write formulas, you use it to model information, okay? To predict what will happen if something changes. Now, this is what Microsoft Excel looks like. This is what you see. I'm going to take you through how to open it again. Simply click on Start, go to All Programs, go scroll down till you come to Microsoft Office. Simply click on Microsoft Office, find Microsoft Excel, click it, and Microsoft Excel will open. And this is what you will see. Please, please, please make sure that you don't just watch this video, you have Microsoft Excel open as well, and that you practice as I'm talking, as I'm showing you on the screen, you're doing the same thing I'm doing. Very important. So let's start. These are what we call the Office ribbon, okay? At the top here. That's what we call the ribbon. Each of it has a different tab in there. You have Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Add-ins. Okay? Very, very important. Now, once you open Microsoft Excel, you have what is called a worksheet. Okay? Now, each sheet exists in a tab. So we have Sheet 1 and Sheet 2 right here. So this is our worksheet. This is what we will be working from. I'm going to take you through some of the shortcuts that you see here. We're going to start by simply typing something in. I'm going to write maybe I'll call it manu. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to call it car. Okay? And underneath car, I'm going to write Lamborghini. Okay? And I'm going to write Porsche. And I'm going to write Volkswagen right there. Let's leave it at that. Okay? This is what we're going to use. I'm going to talk about fonts. Guys, once you enter or you type something in, you click the cell, you go to the font style button, and you can change the font. That's how you change a font. Another thing is changing the font size. If you click on something you've typed again or a cell, you can go to the font size button. You can choose a bigger font or you can choose a smaller font. Depends upon what you want. I'm going to also move you, watch my mouse cursor, to two buttons here. One of them says increase font size and another says decrease font size. If I click on the increase font size button, the font will grow. If I use the decrease font size button, the font will shrink. Okay, that's another way of going about it. I also want to talk about how to make a font bold. All you have to do is simply click a cell and you can click on the bold button to make it bold. You can also click on the italics button to make it italics. This third icon here is to underline. Okay, you can click on the U button to underline something that you've written in a cell. Next thing I want to show you is how to resize a cell. Guys, a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel is divided into columns, okay, and rows. So the rows are from side to side here, moving across, columns from top to bottom, like that. Now to resize a cell, it's really simple. I'll use this as an example. Guys, look at this. You can see that I've typed in Lamborghini, okay? But the word that I've typed in is quite long and it's flowing into the other cell. We don't want that. We need to resize that cell. All we do is simply move our mouse cursor to in between the row B and C. Look, it changes to a black cross. Once it changes, click it and spread it out, stretch it out. Okay, so to resize, you can drag it out, you can drag it in to make it smaller. Okay, That is how you resize a cell. The next thing I'm going to talk about is cell reference. This here is called the name box. Now I want you to pay attention to the name box. Each cell, which is these little boxes, has a reference in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Now this cell here is H3. If you look here, it will tell you. That cell I just clicked on is E13. What it means is that cell is on row row 13 of column E. That's why it's called E13. If I click on this cell, it's on row 3 of column F, so it's F3. So each cell has a unique reference. Please remember that. I'm going to talk about changing font color. Really simple again. Simply click on a cell and click on the font color. You can change it to whatever color that you want. Okay. I'm going to talk about filling a cell. Really simple again. Just click a cell and you can go to the fill tool, which looks like a bucket, and just select a color and you can fill it with whatever color you want. Next thing, the insert tab. It's really simple. Main thing I want to focus on is how to put your name on a spreadsheet. Simply go to insert, go to header and footer, and you can put your name in. Just going to type name in, call it somebody, and that's it. My name is in. Okay, that is how you insert your name in the header or the footer. Another thing I want to talk about is inserting a picture. Really simple. Click where you want the picture to go. Click on picture, select a picture, and there you go. Your picture will be inserted into the spreadsheet. Please don't worry about this. I've got quite a huge picture here of a Hot Wheels car that I bought my son. I'll just minimize it and I'll just put it in the spreadsheet if I want it to be in there. Okay, it's really simple. That's how you insert a picture in Microsoft Excel. You can use the picture tools here to add borders. Okay, just click on it and you can change what the picture looks like. Click on the down arrow. You can choose different borders and choose different picture effects. Next thing I want to talk about again is important. Yes, this thing here, review. Guys, spell checking. Okay, really important. All you do is click on review and click on spelling, and you see it says the spelling check is complete, so my English is right. Please make sure you get into the habit of spell checking your work. Now that is an introduction to Microsoft Excel. All I want you to do is now upload to me a screenshot of your spreadsheet that you used or you followed watching my video, so I can see that you have actually done this. Please do it and do it now.